Hey, what's up everyone? 2009 Chevy Silverado. I'm doing the bed cap, this black cap piece on this truck gate. Some people call it the hatch or, the door, whatever. We're going to take out these bolts. There's 4 of them across the truck gate here. These are T30 bolts, Torx T30. We're going to get these out first. And here's what I'm talking about, a T30. And it's the Torx bit, the one that looks like a star. Go ahead and get these out. Just go down the line here. We're going to save these bolts so don't lose them. Alright. Put them aside because we're going to reuse them in a minute. Something to note on the new one, there's spots for the bolt holes, but there's also this adhesive strip. And when you go to put the new one on, you have to take this red tape off to let the adhesive work. So on the old one, the adhesive is on there too. So when you're pulling it off, oh, here's my part number. This is from the dealership. That's the part number. When you're pulling this old one off, you're going to have to wrestle that old adhesive a little bit. So you could, I just lowered the gate and kind of, went along and pulled it off like this. Not really my favorite way to secure this to the gate. Other, like Toyotas, are usually just like a bolt-on or they have clips. They don't really use adhesive, but this one does, so it's not a big deal. Alright, so we got this off. Now this old adhesive strip needs to be kind of cleaned off a little bit if you can. Obviously make sure your new one and your old one match up. I used a razor to kind of just get some of this old adhesive off. Be careful if you use a razor. If you have something else you know that you could use to get it cleaned off a bit, then good. If you have nothing, then you want it like clean like this. But if you got nothing to clean this off, you'd probably be fine. You could probably just put it on. It'll probably stick on. It has bolts anyway. So go ahead and pull this red tape off, and then once that's off, we're gonna put it on. I would try to get it right the first time. I wouldn't be trying to take this on and off a bunch of times with that adhesive activated. So I just put it on, and then I put my bolts in, make sure it's lined up right, make sure you kind of push down on this side with the glue. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.